Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and today we're gonna do another short and sweet recap of what happened in the XAUUSD trading strategies for today, because we had one of the chill days, but still a really good day in the gold forex trading market that I really need to share with you guys, because we just always have some good things to learn out of this, okay? So without further ado, let's jump right in. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're gonna do another short and sweet recap of what happened in the XAUUSD trading strategies for today, because we had another really good day, really powerful day in the gold market that we just need to dissect and understand and see what happened there. Now, as you know, gold is a very highly influenced market by the rest of the world and the situation in Ukraine and Russia right now, and this has reflected heavily in the market and how the, let's say, trading has been going. But this is only good news for us, especially if you're following the market. I cannot wait to show you guys what is a chill day in the gold forex trading market. And don't start yawning on me, because this is just as spectacular as it was in the past 2 months. You still need to see this, so let's jump right in. Okay guys, so you should be able to see on the screen right now a snapshot of today's gold forex trading market and just a little trend of them all. And this is not the only trend of today, don't get me wrong, this is just the one that I wanted to discuss with you. If you want to search for more trends, of course you have a lot to choose from. It's just this one that I want to talk about. This little trend right now is just proof that even on a chill day, the gold forex trading strategies are still going nuts in terms of the potential that hides behind it. And that's only good news, especially for the new traders on the market and the old traders in the market. Especially if you know what you're doing here, you are gonna have a really big happy day. Now, one of the tips and tricks that I can share with you guys on here on this channel in Trade Labs is what I'm using in terms of trading, and that would be this indicator that you're seeing on the screen right now. This is called the momentum trading indicator, and it's created by us here at Trade Labs in order to make your life easier, like easy peasy lemon squeezy in your trades. This indicator is a proprietary indicator that is specialized in showing you really powerful trends and predict the direction of the market, which is basically what any trader in the world would need in order to have a successful trading day or life. But don't worry too much about those details, because we're gonna go into the actual market stats later on. I just need to explain to you how this indicator works so you know. Now, as you can see, we have some green areas and some red areas. These are basically the volatility or the volume of the direction of the market, as well as we have the brick bars, how we call them. These represent the price points and the direction of the market itself, like how the market is going. Is it going up, price-wise of course, or coming down? Okay, now that you know the details or the basics of this indicator, which is making a night and day difference in my trading life and how I'm viewing the market data, especially in the XAUUSD trading strategies, because this is the trickiest market to play in, especially if you don't know what you're doing or you're new to the market. It's really good to have some indicator that just tells you exactly what you need to do, when to get in, where to go out, in order for you not to have like a really bad day. Because basically in the gold forex trading market, things can go from really good to really bad in a matter of a few seconds if you're not paying attention. So definitely you need something really powerful to help you guys make informed decisions and really good decisions at that in the gold forex trading market. Now, coming back to this chart that you are seeing on the screen here, this is once again a very powerful trend that happened today. It started just here where you can see the little arrow on the screen. This is the moment where the momentum trading indicator has notified me of the starting point of a trend change. So basically the point where the market has stopped to go down and started to go up. Now this happened at just around 10 to 9 o'clock in the morning, and this trend went all the way until this side of the chart, which happened at just around 20 past 1 in the afternoon. We have a trend which lasted for almost 5 hours, plus minus 20 minutes, but still 5 continuous hours of a continuous trend in the XAUUSD trading strategies, which is not something that you see in any kind of other market that easily. But in the XAUUSD market, especially in the past 2 months where we have this crazy impact on the market itself, we can see this kind of moves all over the place every day. And I mean every single day. And if you don't believe me, just go ahead and watch my previous videos for the past months. I have a video for each day, and boy did it go crazy. Absolutely insanely crazy, and we are talking about some crazy potential. Even here, the trend that you are seeing on the screen here, this hides a pretty massive potential that you would be surprised by. So the kind of potential that you wouldn't find in any kind of market that easily. And I'm speaking about really big amounts. But if you don't believe me, just keep on watching and you'll see what I'm talking about. So coming back to this trend that you're seeing on the screen, of course, like I mentioned, this is just one of the trends of today's market. If we were to look at the potential of the trend, we were to look at the lowest point of the start trend, which would be at a price point of 1955 roughly, and went all the way up until a price point of 1981. If you do the math behind that, you are left with just around 16 points. Now, points are not pips, but as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, in order to calculate your pips based on your points, you just need to take the number of pips, multiply it with 100, and there you go, you have your pips. Now, in our case over here, we are talking about 16 points multiplied by 100, and there you go, just like that, you have a massive potential of 1,600 pips into one trend in a chill day in the XAUUSD market. And if you don't know how much this actually means in a day-to-day value, then go ahead and Google it and you would be mind blown. Maybe this is not as life-changing as the days where we had 3,000 pips into one trend, but this is still a really good bargain that you could have jumped in and just take it just like that, simple as that, just by using the momentum trading indicator, which basically tells you when to get in, when to get out, and presents yourself with situations like this one on the screen. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful and informative in terms of what to expect and when to expect it from the XAUUSD market strategies. Definitely about the gold trading strategy, specifically this market, because it's just really tricky to play around with. Unless you have something really useful like the momentum trading indicator, which can put you into situations where you have only to gain potential pips, crazy amounts like today, potential of 1,600 pips into one trend in a chill day. And I'm talking about one trend again. This is still mind-blowing from all points of view, and this is still something that anybody could have gotten into and get a hold of if they had access to the momentum trading indicator. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.